Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews of the most innovative gear on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is hands down the best mittens with gloves inside available right now. The waterproof ski mittens with inside gloves liners. Whether you're skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, or just walking your dog through freezing temperatures, these gloves are built to handle it all. Let's break down exactly why they deserve a spot in your winter arsenal. Let's start with the design, a smart and thoughtful combination of a mitten shell and a 5-fingered liner glove on the inside. This gives you the warmth of a mitten, which traps heat more effectively, while still allowing for finger mobility thanks to the built-in glove liner. It's like getting the best of both worlds, the warmth of mittens and the dexterity of gloves. Now what really sets these mittens apart is the waterproofing. The outer shell is built with a water-resistant material that repels snow, slush, and sleet, while keeping your hands dry through extended hours outdoors. Whether you're holding a ski pole, gripping the handlebars of a snowmobile, or throwing snowballs at your kids, you won't have to worry about moisture getting in. Inside, the glove liners are insulated and breathable. That means your hands stay warm without getting sweaty, a huge plus if you're active in the snow. The thermal insulation provides protection even in sub-zero temperatures, so these are ideal for deep winter adventures. Let's talk about one of the coolest features, the built-in zipper pocket on the back of each mitten. This small, discreet compartment is designed for hand warmers, but you can also use it for small essentials like a ski pass or even keys. Pop in a disposable hand warmer and you've got a mini heater right on the back of your hand. Even though these are mittens, you don't have to peel them off just to respond to a text or check your GPS. The inner gloves are touch-capable, letting you stay connected without sacrificing warmth. For anyone who's had to rip off their gloves in the middle of a snowstorm just to answer a phone call, this is a total game-changer. The fit is snug and secure, thanks to adjustable wrist straps and drawstring closures at the cuffs. This ensures that no snow sneaks in from the top, even if you're digging into powder or falling during a wipeout. The elastic wrist also makes them super easy to take off and put on, which is a small detail, but one you'll really appreciate in cold weather. Durability-wise, these gloves hold up. Reinforced palms add grip and resistance to wear and tear, while the stitching throughout is solid. They're clearly made to last through multiple seasons of heavy use, which gives them great value for money. Whether you're a winter sports enthusiast or someone who just wants reliable protection during freezing commutes or morning dog walks, these gloves check all the boxes. They're tough, warm, waterproof, and comfortable, and with the added bonus of touchscreen-compatible inner gloves and a zipper pocket for warmers, they go beyond what you'd expect from typical winter gloves. So, if you're shopping for the ultimate cold weather glove, stop searching. These waterproof ski mittens with inside gloves liners are the best mittens with gloves inside that we've tested, and they deserve a top spot in your gear bag this winter. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there. Stay warm out there, and we'll see you in the next one.